Hello viewers, I hope you are doing well. I began practicing shamanic breathing while immersing myself in the rhythmic beats of tribal drumming. After a few minutes of focused breathwork, I noticed a sudden chill enveloping me. A delightful tingling sensation coursed through my entire body. My arms and hands seemed to lose all sensation, becoming both rigid and numb. Amidst this, a subtle ache arose in my hands. Gradually, my entire body adopted a hardness reminiscent of stone. Upon concluding the shamanic breathing, I held my breath momentarily, basking in profound tranquility and rejuvenation. Physical sensations seemed to condense into a few delicate feelings, akin to flowing energy and gentle currents. An overwhelming sense of bliss, joy, and serenity suffused both my mind and body. Truly remarkable was the experience of enjoying music while residing in this heightened state of consciousness. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.